architectural shingles or dimensional shingles are the more common shingle roof type you'll see out there for comp shingle roofs. And they're very common. You'll be very familiar with them over some time. Installing on these is pretty simple. They're a quality product. They're referred to as dimensional or architectural, or GAF in this example calls them high definition or HD. They're named different things in the industry by different manufacturers, but most times they're called kind of generically architectural. And these have these tabs that are still adhered to that tab, and they have different kind of heights of it, so to say. So when you're installing a splice foot, that's going to be actually important because you kind of want to have the splice foot in a even surface ideally, but if you need to install here because you're installing to the rafters, then you might not be in an even surface. So you could typically cut either an additional piece of butyl or a shingle and glue it down. Some starter courses actually come with a little adhesive peel back where they do the starter course on the roof before the first shingle course goes down. You can cut a little section of that, put that down to even it out, glue it in, or they have the self-adhering peel back there, and then you can get it even. With the splice foot, as long as your penetrations are on the high side, it's okay if you're over an uneven surface. So just pay attention to that. Also, when you're prying up the shingles, keep in mind that you could be fighting the wrong shingle course. You want to be on the high side and get under there so you're breaking that out. So just some things to keep in mind. This is the most common shingle type, the architectural that you'll see out there, and you'll understand which product might be best for this roof type.